Alright, so I'm kind of scared to post this, but here's my full opinion on what is better: organic dropshipping or TikTok shop affiliate. I want to be fully transparent with you, and you know how much of an advocate I was over the years about organic dropshipping, because I genuinely believe that it's the easiest way to make 10K profit a month. And now I started posting all this TikTok shop affiliate content, and most of you guys are wondering, all right, which one should I start with? What's better? What's worth? And are there specific scenarios where something is better versus the other? If I have more budget, if I have more time, if I live in a specific country? So I'm going to answer all of these questions in this video. We're going to create a sheet with all the arguments which speak for organic and which make organic better than TikTok shop affiliate. And on the other side, we're going to compare all these things which speak for TikTok shop affiliate, and we're just going to weigh it up. Let's start with all the things which make organic dropshipping better than TikTok shop affiliate. With TikTok shop affiliate, you can basically only post on TikTok. With TikTok shop affiliate, the main way you make money is with TikTok. You can also repost your content on Instagram and YouTube and just have a link in the bio, but most of your money is going to come from TikTok alone. Now, with organic, you can literally repurpose the same exact content on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, and you just have more distribution channels. Secondly, with organic dropshipping, you own the brand. This has a lot of pros and a lot of cons. The good thing about that is you can do all the backend stuff. So the emails are yours, the customers are yours. You own the email list, you can retarget them, you can do all these things to just start making more money in the backend. With Shop, it's different, all right? With Shop, you obviously just post the content. Now, this is good and bad at the same time, because obviously only having to post content and just worrying about that is pretty nice, actually. Your whole headspace is only in the content, and there's a massive brand which, trust me, is significantly better at all the backend. They handle the backend, and you just get commissioned on all the sales combined. So even though this is a con, usually what's going to end up happening is most of you organic guys, you don't even have a clue how to make a lot of money from email marketing or from the backend upselling. So in the end, you're not going to make real money from that anyways. Theoretically, you could, which speaks for organic. The other thing with organic is you can instantly start. Because Instagram and YouTube are there and you don't have to have 1,000 followers to even have a link in the bio there, you can instantly start. And this leads me to my next point, which is, emotionally speaking, organic feels more like your business. I'm sure a lot of you guys think like this. As a TikTok shop affiliate, the account are yours, but the brand is not yours. So even though you're building something for yourself, it feels less like you're building something for yourself, if you know what I mean. Because with organic, you could theoretically at some point start ads and email marketing and this and this and this and build up a brand and then exit it. In the beginning, that's how you think, right? And it feels worse with shop affiliate because even though you're building the account, you're not building the brand. Now, this one, logically speaking, in the end of the day, what you should care about is how much money you make, and this is not really an argument for that, but I'm sure a lot of you guys are going to think that. Now, the next one is, with TikTok, you have to have 5,000 followers to even start doing TikTok shop. This is definitely a disadvantage to organic. With organic, first of all, to put a link in bio, you only have to have 1,000 followers. And also on Instagram and YouTube Shorts, you don't have to have any followers. You can instantly put the link in bio. So it feels like you can start making sales faster. Now with Shop, there's definitely a way around it. And you can literally buy accounts with 5,000 followers or just build them up by posting videos which are extremely follow baiting. Like some hot girl is saying, if you like Trump, follow me. Something along those lines.
If this offends you, good. Keep scrolling. But if you love Trump, you just earned yourself a follower if you follow me.
It literally gets you instant followers. But the next thing is, if you don't live in the US and if you don't also live in any country which has TikTok shop, you need to use a very specific method on how you can start. This is something which you can definitely get around. And if you want to get around that, just DM me TikTok shop worldwide on Instagram and I'm going to send you the full guide. Now, the next thing here is the margins. With organic, the margins are better. You have anywhere between 40 and 70% margins with organic dropshipping and anywhere between 20 and 45% margins with shop, because that's what the commissions for you are going to be. Now, sometimes you're going to have brand deals with like 50%, but most of the times it's going to end up being around 30. So even though on paper that's worse, I'm going to explain to you why it's not worse, because the thing you care about is the money. money, right? You care about how much money you make, not the margin you have on the money. But anyways, the margin is for sure better with organic. Now, let's get to the TikTok Shop affiliate pros. And the very, very first one, probably the biggest one. You know how I said that with organic, you can make sales faster because you can instantly start putting the link in bio? Well, there's a massive difference. On Shop, you will start making sales after having a video get 1,000, 2,000 views already, which with organic is unthinkable. With organic, it takes 50 to 100,000 views for you to start getting any sales or any traction at all. Now, the reason for that is that on Shop, people can buy so much easier. There's no friction, especially if you don't live in a country where you saw what Shop even is. You scroll on TikTok, you press on this yellow button here, you click on add to cart, and you bought the product. There's no Shopify, there's no redirect, there's nothing. The conversion rates are insane. Everyone knows that TikTok Shop delivery is 100 times faster than dropshipping because you have to have fast delivery times to even be able to sell on Shop. This makes customers trust Shop more and more, like Amazon, because you understand this. If you would have an organic dropshipping product with a link in bio to Amazon versus to Shopify, random store, your store, there's a crazy discrepancy in conversion rate. Everyone trusts Amazon. People trust your Shopify store significantly less. Now, don't get me wrong, I love Shopify. You can see the plaques right here. I have more than enough sales from Shopify. It works really well, but I'm not delusional here. I know that conversion rates on Amazon are significantly better. I know that conversion rates on Shop are significantly better. And this is why the conversions per million views is 10 times higher. It's very common that you make $10,000 to $50,000 per million views with Shop, which just does not happen with organic. You make anywhere between $1,000 and maybe $5,000. In the best case scenario, you make $10,000 per million views, which is the highest. Now, here's what that means. You make more money. You get the same amount of views, but you make 10 times more revenue, and your commission is anywhere between 20 and 40%, which even though with organic you have double the margins, which is like 50%, if you have 25% margins on Shop and 50% margins on organic, that makes a 2x difference. But the difference in Shop conversion rates is 10 times. Instantly, you make so much more profit. And if you compare organic dropshipping profits, which is 50% of your revenue, with Shop commissions, every single time your commissions are going to be so much higher than the profit you made from the same exact use. Here's the thing. You make the same exact content. It's not harder to go viral with Shop, and you just make more money, significantly more money. That by itself outweighs everything. In my opinion, this one thing alone, even if you forget about all the other arguments, which I'm going to tell you right now, this by itself already makes you make more money. My point is, you will make more money. Your goal is making more money. What I'm telling you is, you will make more money. It's very simple. You just make more money. And that's the point. On top of this, the delivery times are so fast. You have a few day delivery times everywhere, which is just super nice for customers. And you don't have to deal with anything in the back end. You only make content. That's it. You don't have to figure out how to increase your Shopify conversion rate because the conversion rate is already super high on TikTok Shop. You don't have to worry about customer service, nothing. You just make content. On top of all of that, I'm a Facebook guy. I love Facebook ads dropshipping. I literally make over $1 million a month with Facebook ad dropshipping right now as we speak. Very big chunk of our top creatives on Facebook ads are TikTok Shop style videos. We've tried organic videos to transfer to Facebook ads and it worked. And we tried TikTok Shop style videos to transfer to Facebook and it works better. So your skill of making good TikTok Shop affiliate videos transfers better into making Facebook ads, not worse. So this emotional argument I was talking about earlier with organic, oh, I can build a brand and all of that. Logically speaking, in reality, it's actually the opposite, all right? The skill of making good ads, it will improve much stronger from doing Shop. The next thing is the style of content with Shop is two different things. You can make UGC content where you take your phone and you film yourself and you basically speak in the camera, you'll get sales, all right? That works extremely well. If you don't want to show your face, there's no problem with that at all, and you can fully make videos using AI. With organic dropshipping, the use case of AI is not there yet. You can make really good videos using AI for organic, but it doesn't really work better than anything else. Here, you can make these fully AI-generated videos. You'll see the style on the screen right now. This would not work with organic. Like usually, this is something which is not just going to go viral off the bat. With Shop, it does work. And the reason for that is Shop wants you to make money because they make money of you making money. You can compare TikTok Shop to Shopify. Shopify has fees and they make money if you make money because they get a cut of every single sale. TikTok Shop also gets a cut of every single sale, which makes them promote the videos which convert the best. And that's why this AI style content works so well. These AI videos are super high converting, and that's why they get sales, and that's why they get views. That's the crazy part. And that's also why it works so well on Facebook. When you do organic and you want to transfer it to Facebook ads, you're not going to take your most viral video and just use it as a Facebook ad. You're going to use your highest converting video and use it as the Facebook ad, because virality doesn't matter on Facebook. You want to get sales and you pay per view, basically. So that's why Shop content transfers so well on Facebook. On top of all of this, it takes less time to make a video using AI on Shop than to make an organic video, all right? The time of having to go outside and film all these things are basically over with this. You can literally do fully AI content and it works really well. And obviously, if you want to do UGC content where you show your face, which also works extremely good, you obviously can do that as well. Now, making an AI video takes like 20 minutes. Shop videos are very different in a sense where even the UGC style videos, you just talk in the camera, you speak in the camera, there's a little editing, nothing too much, and that's it. You don't have to go out and film a product and make it look nice and come up with all these things. It's different. And it's also so much easier to script winning viral videos for Shop because of one thing. ChatGPT learns from text. If you send an organic video to ChatGPT and describe all of it, ChatGPT is not going to fully understand what's going on in the video. You can transcribe what is said. You cannot perfectly transcribe what is shown. With Shop, it's different. The videos that go viral are just basically text, all right? It's a person speaking for like a few minutes straight. That is very transcribable, and you upload it to ChatGPT and you give it like 10 or 20 scripts, and then you just reform these scripts onto your product, and then they do well, all right? Scripting is so much easier because you can utilize ChatGPT better. We all know that AI is going to take over everything over the next few years. This is very clear. Shop puts you in the right boat to learn all of this because the use case is so strong. Here's my honest opinion. Because it is easier to make money with TikTok Shop, it is better to start with TikTok Shop. This is just what it is. It converts better, it makes you more money, it's way less stressful because you can use AI content and you don't have to go out there filming, and overall, the amount of money you're going to make if you do organic for the next 6 months versus Shop for the next 6 months is very clear to me. With Shop, you're going to make more money. And this is why you should start with Shop right now. Don't get me wrong. The long-term play is not you being an affiliate forever. The long-term play is you being an affiliate, stacking up money to be able to buy inventory and then become a TikTok Shop brand. So if you want to get started with TikTok Shop affiliate, you can click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session, and we're going to start a one-on-one mentorship program. We're going to look over all of your content, tell you how to improve it. We make sure we select the best products for you. We connect you with the top brands that pay the highest commissions. Because you're with us, we pre-negotiated with them. You already get higher commissions than everyone else. Right now, TikTok Shop affiliate is as OP as organic was a few years ago. All right, organic was insane. It was ridiculous how easy it was to go viral. But over time, it started getting more difficult to go viral. We're back in the very beginning. Every few months, TikTok Shop enrolls in a new country. And in that new country, TikTok Shop gifts everyone views, free views for everyone, just to increase the brand value in that country for themselves. Because we're at a point where it's literally OP and AI works with it so well, it is the best thing you can start with right now. And if you're interested in a one-on-one mentorship program with me personally and my team, click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session, and we're going to figure out if it's a good fit.